Okay, now we're going to see the fifth example. First sum. Root of 1 minus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. Okay, which is equal to secant A minus tan A. Okay, this was the fifth example's first question. Okay, in this we're going to take the LHS. Root of 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Okay, I'm taking the LHS first. Okay, in these type of sums you can see whether it was like 1 plus 2 divided 2x by 1 minus 2x. Both the values are similar, but the signs alone different means you need to do the denominator. First take the denominator, changing the sign alone you need to multiply and divide the same value, like 1 plus 2x divided by 1 plus 2x. I'm taking the denominator and just change the sign value and multiplying it and dividing that same value. Okay, the same methodology I'm gonna do here. Here taking the denominator is 1 plus sin A, so I'm going to multiply. You also need to take the root also. Okay, don't forget to take the root also. 1 minus sin A, just changing the sign. Okay, multiplying it, the same value you need to divide, 1 minus sin A. Okay, and now we're going to multiplying it. Okay, 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A, like root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2. You know this value, right? Root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2. So root 1 minus sin A into root 1 minus sin A, it is 1 minus sin A. So 1 minus sin A divided by root 1 plus sin A, root 1 minus sin A. It will look like A plus B and A minus B, right? A plus B and A minus B formula is A square minus B square formula, right? So we can write this as A square minus B square, right? So I am going to write this root 1 plus sin A, root 1 minus sin A as root A square minus B square. Okay, root A is 1, so 1 square, minus B is sin A, so sin square A. Okay, so 1 minus sin A divided by, we can also write this as 1 square is 1 only, right? So 1 minus sin square A. We know the formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write cos square theta, right? So instead of 1 minus sin square A, we can write cos square A. So 1 minus sin A will remain as it is in the numerator. Denominator alone gets changed as 1 minus sin square A is just cos square A, the root of cos square A. The square and the root gets cancelled, right? Whether there is root of 2 the whole square and the root will get cancelled, the 2 will remain. By the same here, the cos square A, the root of cos square A, square and the root gets cancelled, then there will be remaining 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, now I am writing the denominator by splitting according to the numerator, cos A to 1 and sin A also. Okay, I am just splitting and writing 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Okay, now substituting the formulas. We know 1 by cos theta formula and sin theta divided by cos theta formula. Sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. So Here instead of theta that is a 1 by cos A means secant A minus sin A cos A, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta, so tan A. Secant A minus tan A. So RHS is proved. Okay, this was one of the easiest sum. Okay, there is root only a differences in the previous sums. When you see the comparing to the previous sum, the new thing which is added here is a root. Other than that, there is nothing more complicated over here. Don't see root as a complicated one. This is so easy. Okay, if you see the similar values with different sign, just follow this step in the first step, taking the denominator value by changing the symbol alone and multiplying it, dividing the same value, then further solving it, you will get the answer. Okay, always keep in mind the RHS and solve it. Okay, whenever you solve the trigonometrical sums.